This is how the car is stored in its own little house. It's all inflated. Actually, I keep 2 cars in here. This is my steel building here. I got a bunch of cars. I keep a bunch of different cars here sometimes. But, so it's a showcase by a capsule. It's pretty cool, huh? Just for fun, I'll walk. Here's a little video of my... I like my license plate. Yeah, I can't put that on a T, can I? Anyway, it's got the black lettering, silver letters. Look how this is terminated. There's all the Porsche on top. Stripe goes over the top. I added these, which are nice. They just peel off if you want to take them off, but they're carbon fiber. And I added carbon fiber covers there on the, I don't have the key to the car right now. The carbon fiber covers on the vents, which are kind of cute. And there's the front end, so all PPF'd, nice and pretty. There you go. Why am I selling this car? I might have to change my mind. It's got the gold wheels and red calipers. And electric mirrors, of course. And then you can see that's how these match into the red of the calipers. And they even have a little thing here that says GT4 on the front. These were made up in England for me. I have a guy there that makes them. It takes me like 2 months to design it, going back and forth. And then we make them up. And I get them installed. And it's one of a kind, as they like to say in this world. And look at this. It even comes with a miniature GT4 in shark blue little pillow in the back. There it is. Anyway, that's my little GT4. I take the license plate off, obviously. And there you go. Put it on the GTS. Okay.